Remember, Sunday 5th of November is Thorpe St Andrew Fireworks Night at the Fitzmaurice Park off Pound Lane. Gates open at 4, display at 7, with food stalls and fun fair. Entrance £10 for family of 4. Thank you to sponsors.
Morton Reeves Estate Agents,
Anglian Mortgages,
Cloudspark IT Solutions,
BDC Scaffolding,
C&M Handyman,
Breakwater IT,
Carpet and Flooring Services,
and Conservatory Roof Insulation by Canary Thermal Roof. Thorpe St Andrews Fireworks. See you there.